Hello and welcome back to the Fashion Magazine. I hope you're spending a great weekend. As we promised before, we'll come with great ideas, not only for women. We're supporting all genders. And today I'm happy to say, and please don't hate me girls, this video is dedicated for men. So if a man is watching this video, I hope you will find great ideas to upgrade your look or to try something new. And also for girls, you can stay with us till the end of the video because I feel we need to support our partners or our brother, our fathers. So you can find something you can gift as well for the people you love. So stay with us till the end and I hope you enjoy this video. All right, let's start with blazers. Blazers are every year trends. However, for this year, they come with different shapes and different colors. When it comes to the shapes this year are wider and larger, especially on the shoulders. We're starting with the first color and it is gray. This color is known to be neutral and calm. It gives back these amazing 19s and 18s vibes that we all love, I'm sure about. And it's preferable to wear them with white or black tops because those choices are always a good match with gray color. However, if you prefer another color, the color, as we said before, is very soft and it's very peaceful, so you can add any color you want. And moving for the next color is black, and most black blazer comes with button, and this is like the new details. They are also larger and wider, and they are very classy with any style. And mostly if you want to add a very nice sunglasses, it will look very sexy, of course, very mysterious. And nice touch could add for me is jeans. The jeans and boots will look very nice with this blazer, and you can tell from the pictures as well. The best discovery for this year is olive green. This color is very neutral and it provides a natural contrast which highlights your feature without being too overwhelming on your skin tone. And I do consider this color should be worn more on blazers because you want to be very chic, you want to be elegant. 2024 is about being classy, old money, vintage styles, and also the 90s and the 80s. And I think those for me the best eras, and I think everyone agrees with me. What do you think, guys? Let me know in the comments. Let's go for the next trend, guys. Vests, it's needed. And you need to trust me for this style. If you are a person who likes to try different outfits, it will look original, and especially with a shirt or a t-shirt. And I do like the knit vests because they are the best choice. Cargo has been trendy since the last year, so if you want to try those ones, you didn't do that last year, and you want to do something funky, something that could go with your work if your job is very practical, so you would look nice in a cargo ones. And the best colors for the vest in general are the beige, the brown, and the burgundy, and the black, of course, if you want to always wear something. And also the olive green, I like that color for this year. We have mentioned before that the 90s and the 80s are back, and really in a very wild way. I would like to mention also the vests, which we call them pirate vests with the buttons. As you can tell from the pictures, are a very nice style. Always and forever. You can tell when someone is wearing something like that, it catches your eyes. And we as women like those kind of styles because they give the mysterious and very, very chic vibe. All right, we come, guys, to my favorite part, and I hope you agree with me on this part. So we come to talk about the zip-up sweater. They are the best trends for this year because they are very chic and elegant, and I like to see men in a very nice, classy, original styles, and that's why we're doing this video today, basically. And those ones you can differ your styles. You don't have to follow what is available on the market, and I believe all of us, we can see those ones on thrift shops and bazaar. So you can find one with an open neck. It will put in value your shoulders, your neck, and if you're wearing a necklace, it will look very sexy. And at the same time, if you would like to put something, because it's very cold, and I know it is the case in Canada and different places in the world, so maybe you want to wear it with a shirt, a black one or white one, and also you can put a vest on it or a coat. What I like about these sweaters, they are available in different designs. You can wear them with zippers, you can wear them with an open chest, as I said before, and you can wear them without nothing. It could be like a thick pullover, and the best color for those type of pullovers are burgundy and brown, to be more specific. And you can take this one as an accessory with you to the spring because you can wear it on your shoulders with a t-shirt. It gets cold, it gets a little bit chilly in the night, and it will look very classy. And who doesn't like to be classy? And the purpose, since I'm talking about being classy, I think this video is to put everyone out of his comfort zone. Don't go with the same style. And to be honest, I know, man, you love what you have, but it's okay to try sometimes something new and to be inspired somehow. Okay, guys, I know you have always a lot of things in your hand getting out from the car. You have the keys, the phone, the bottle of the water, you have your papers, everything. And I have a good news for you this year. The bags are back. We used to wear those when we go to the high school in the 90s and the 80s, but this year they are back as a good accessory for you guys. I'd like to say that you can pick up any style you want. There is some styles, and I need to be honest, I don't like them. They look like very feminist and they look a little bit not for guys. So you should pick up something as a cube, very simple, black, green, very neutral color that goes with you for work, it goes with you for the grocery shop, it goes with you for different, or even traveling. And the best way to wear those ones, as you can see from the left picture here, is you have to wear them from the back or up next to your chest, and this is very classy. And then you can put them with a coat and you can put them with a blazer as well. So I think this is a very good solution, because we see you on the street, guys. You're always carrying a lot of things in your hand. So why? Maybe you should pick up a bag. And I need to mention also, the backpacks are not the trend for this year. They're not on the market. And I think they are only if you want to travel, you can keep them, but you cannot wear them all the time. They're not practical. So maybe you can pick up something that you like their design. And I know there is a lot of brands are doing great job today. If you want to have more sources, leave us a comment. We'll give you the best and the most affordable, especially, and sustainable choices for you. Let's talk about trousers. And believe it or not, guys, we are all struggling to find, even us women, we're struggling to find the best shape, the best length. And I'd like to mention this year, the best choices for you are the tech or unit pants. And to make it more simple for everyone, just trousers, tissue trousers. You need to pick up something that is very long, that will complement your height, that will put in value your body shapes. Don't pick up something very tight. Don't pick up something that shows details. That's not classy. That's not nice to see. And I think this could be worn on sneakers, on boots, and it will look very original. The best way to wear them is without belts, but if you need a belt, come on, go ahead, do that. And the best colors for those trousers are obviously always on the top of the list: the black, the blue, different shape, the gray, believe it or not, the green, the olive green, those, and also my baby, the brown. I love the brown on men, believe it or not, guys. Maybe you don't know this, we like seeing you wearing brown shades. You look all very nice in brown shades. And also I would like to mention, those ones are not only casual. It's up to you to style them as you want. You can wear them with a shirt, you can wear them with a coat, you can wear them with boots, as I said before. So it's up to you. They're very comfy as well, and they can go also with us till the summer, because the summer is coming and you know it's always heated. So we're struggling in the winter. So pick up the pictures that you like, and maybe you could find something. And I think the best thing today that those choices are very available, so you can find them anywhere you want. We're ending this video with the best shoes for men, and you can tell that they are going to be the boots and the loafers without laces. Let me be always specific. So when it comes to the colors, I'm not gonna strict anyone about the color. I know you guys like black and brown, and correct me if I'm wrong. So these choices for this year, you need to pick up something without laces, and you should pick up something that has belts, and you will see in the pictures of the loafers. And loafers of the 90s and the 80s and the trendy ones are back in the market. And I like seeing sometimes on the street guys wearing loafers with very funky socks. It looks so amazing. Even if he's so serious and working, whatever it is, you look amazing. And if you want to pick up something from those choices, probably you should go with the different type of pants you're wearing most of the time. I always recommend people not to buy online when it comes to shoes, because you have to pick up something that goes with your style and you can wear it. And I think if you're gonna pick up between the boots and the loafers, pick up the loafers. We're going to the spring. You don't have to pay a lot of money on boots and then you're not gonna wear them for the rest of the year. But loafers can go with you for the summer, and they will look nice with a blazer and with the unit pants, as we mentioned before, and also jeans. And jeans are the best choices for everyone. All right, I would like to end this video saying that I hope you guys enjoy this video. We have looked to all the choices, and we always try to find something that goes with everyone and find different choices choices for you, so you can pick up something that goes with your style. These choices have been picked not to tell you what to wear or not to wear. We're just giving some inspiration and putting some information about something that might be very nice to you to try. And most of those choices, to add up, is they are quite luxurious. They are elegant. You need to avoid labels, guys, this year if you want my advices, or try to diminish them a little bit if you want to. And I hope you really find the right choices for you. And I'm so happy to do this video, guys. I would like to support all genders, and we will see. We have different ideas on videos. We're coming with more. It's not only the last video we're making different ideas for men about skincare, about nutrition, about outfits, accessories. And I hope you like it. And girls, I think you have great ideas for the gifts. And we're coming to the Valentine's Days. Maybe you can pick up something or push your partner to change it, or anyone, any member of the family. Thank you for your support. Always. We enjoyed reading your comments, and especially your very nice critiques, because we find them very constructive and we've taken everything into consideration. We've been asked to do vintage styles. We haven't forgot. We're preparing this video, and I hope everyone have a great last day of the weekend, and we'll see you next week.